Hi guys, let's get some detail about general basic tools you need for your workshop. Basic measuring tools such as measuring tape or weighing scale are commonly used. Depending upon the accuracy of work, measuring tools are used. Grabbing and clamping tools, cutting tools, fastening tools, zip ties and duct tape, writing tools, power tools. Plier is the most famous grabbing tool, and if we talk about clamping, C-clamp and bench vise are the first name that comes into our mind. Well, talking about the advanced tool in clamping, toggle clamp, hydraulic clamp, etc. are mostly used. Cutting tool. Cutter name itself denotes himself as a cutting tool. Scissors, box cutters and hacksaw are mostly used as a cutting tool. Fastening tools. If we talk about the fastening tools, technically there are attachable and detachable tools. For attachment assembly or fixing, we can say nut, washer, bolt, screw or stud are mainly used. For detaching or disassembly tools, screwdriver, spanner, Allen wrench, etc. are used. Zip ties and duct tape. Temporary fitment or sealing are done by zip ties, duct tape, etc. Duct tapes are mostly used for packing or sealing the boxes. Writing tools are mandatory tools used in any work. No need of explanation required on this topic. Pen, pencil, eraser, notepad, marker, etc. comes under the writing tools. Now let's talk about the last topic of this subject, that is power tools. There are few advanced tools which are often used to ease the work like drilling machine, grinder, circular saw, etc. This tool doesn't come under basic tools. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to share with your friends and family who need the most. Hit the like button below and subscribe the channel by hitting subscribe button and press the bell icon for such more contents.